So hello guys, welcome to our channel Market Future. So guys, today I'm going to show you live proof that how I found a new indicator before 2 months, and I just tested an indicator in the demo account. Now I'm introducing this indicator in front of you guys so that you can also make money. Okay guys, this indicator is 99.9% accurate if you will use like how I am telling, because I have the total experience to how to use this indicator for boom and crash. This works on all four pairs of boom and crash: boom 500, boom 1000, crash 500, crash 1000. So stay connected in this video. First of all guys, join my telegram channel. I have provided my telegram channel link in the video description, and you can message me also. I have provided my username. Okay, so let's start. For all of you guys, listen carefully before purchasing this bot, and if you want to know the bot completely, just read this. Okay guys, I am providing this text in the video in my telegram channel, and I am providing my telegram channel link in the video description. Just join Market Future 1, type on the telegram @Market Future 1. I have put in the video description, or I will provide a link. If the link will doesn't work, you can search and directly join. Okay guys, make sure you read this. If you will read this, you will 100% be confidential, okay, to use this bot. So let me show you that how it works. It predicts the spike under 0 to 120 seconds. Okay guys, 0 to 120 seconds means almost 2 candles. If it will not spike in almost 2 candles, just you close the trade. But it's 99.9% time it spikes in under 2 candle. Okay guys, I will show you that how to use it perfectly. Spike detector is designed to predict spike between 0 to 100 seconds before the spike happen. It was built based on the principle supply and demand on its almost 100% accurate in its prediction. However, broker changes its algorithm regularly, which may affect the performance of the software, but nothing to worry about, as are safety precautions to follow. Okay guys, for a buy trade on boom 100, boom 1000 and boom 500 index, wait for the blue arrow to appear perfectly aligned with the red histogram forming downwards. With this setup, place your trade with good money management depending on your account size, risking a maximum of 5% of your equity. Close your trade after the spike or 120 after you don't get a spike. Okay guys, it means it's a guarantee that under 120 seconds it's 99% chance that it will spike, or if it will not fire, there is not a problem, only 2 candles loss. Okay guys, so it's a very superb indicator guys, trust me, and I will keep posting my results in the telegram channel. So if you want to see the results of this indicator, make sure you join my telegram channel, because I will just keep posting in my real account that how this indicator is progressing, so that you guys can also enjoy and you guys can also think to buy. So guys, first of all, let me tell you that this indicator costs $200. This indicator costs 200 USD. So those who want, they can message me on telegram. I have provided my telegram username. And guys, this indicator can really help you to make a lot of money. Trust me guys, this indicator can help you to make you guys a lot of money. It's 100% worth it. Okay guys, so on crash 500 also same rule. For a sell trade crash 5000, wait for red arrow to appear or a green histogram. I will show you what is histogram and red arrow to use on the Deriv MT5. Okay, so wait, just watch the video. And the same position, if it will not spike under 120 seconds in under 2 candles, so you have to just close your trade. Okay, it is super powerful, and I will tell you when to close the trade, when to take your profit also. So let's start. So guys, this is the pair. As you can see, boom 500. I'm using this for a little long term trade. You can use it on M1 for scalping, but I'm using it on N5. You can use it on any time frame. It depends on the higher time frame, the higher take profit will goes. Okay guys, so M5. So what does it take? Here we go. Here we can take a sell trade, but here we are in green, here we are in red histogram, so we can't take sell trade. Okay, so we can only look for buy trade. If we are in red histogram, we have to look for only buy trade. So here we got a buy indicator and we are in red histogram, so just you have to take the buy trade here and on boom 500, and just you have to take, and you will see it spiked till here. So how much pips we got? Let me check guys, how much pips we got from 59682 to 6031, almost let me check, almost guys 60 to 70 pips on boom 500, which is massive. If you will you open one lot size, almost you booked like 60 to 70 USD easily. Okay guys, it gives you daily many chances to trade. And if you want to take sell on boom 500, let me show you how does it work. Okay guys, if you want to take sell, so here we got a sell indication, so here we will know we are still in the red histogram. Okay, so here we will check. So here guys, we are in green histogram. For sell we have to look for green histogram on boom 500, or and for buy we have to look for red histograms. Okay guys, make sure guys. And here we got a sell indication guys, as you can see on this candlestick. Okay, and we are in green histogram, so we will look for sell trade and we will sell. And as soon we get the this blue arrow, we have to just take our profit. And here also, as soon we get this red arrow, we have to took your profit, or we get in green histogram. Hope you are understanding, and if you have any more doubts, you can message me on Telegram. Okay guys, I will show you that how to message me also. Okay, so let's go on crash pairs. Okay guys, so I'm on crash 500. So this is the same, only but here only there is that I have a black pair, so that you can understand well. The background is black and nothing else. Okay, so everything is same. So here we will look for 5 minutes. I will teach you guys in minute 5 time frame. So here guys, as you can see this, we are in green histogram. For sell we have to look for green histogram. So we, for catching spike on crash 500, we are on green histogram. We will look for, so here we got a green histogram, and we got a sell sign. Okay, so just we have to sell here, and we have to took our take profit here when the blue arrow appears. As you can see, this spot, this indicator is super powerful. If you will use this like that, I am telling, because I just tried it on demo for 2 months, and this is crazy. And guys, main thing, the experience is also, but this indicator can make you a lot of money. So just book the indicator, and let me show you that how you can message me on Telegram, and how you can join my Telegram channel. So I will provide my Telegram channel link in the video description. But if the link will not work, you have to just go on Telegram and search market future 1 @ you have to put and here it's 6 subscriber. I will post here some free signals also, so that you guys can also enjoy, and make sure we will enjoy here. And I will send you some charts also, so that you can make some profit on boom 500, crash 500, crash pairs. Okay, so just join it. Okay guys, and we will enjoy. See, I have provided one sell trade in the morning for the scalp trades, so it just hit it take profit. So make sure you join it. And if you want to contact me, just you have to put @ and you have to you have to write richest fu. And guys, don't message other people, just you have to message Rai. My name is Rai. Okay guys, my name is Rai on the Telegram. Thank you for watching this video.